tayo ng Gorbox. So, sige, start na tayo. Play. Piliin nating map kay ito square. Play. So, pero ads pa to. Pag pinindot niyo yung play, pag inanuhan yung map, mag-ads talaga. Pag tino-turn off yung pie, hindi mag-ads sa cellphone. Okay, loading pa to. Okay, ngayon dito na tayo. So, let's have fun. Okay, na-able fly ako. So, spawn Gordles. Oh my God. Hi! Who are you? Are you Jimmy? Joke lang, guys. So, Divine Gordle. Spawn na sila. Uy! Ako man to! Hello? Ikaw si Kyle? Parehas sa mga pangalan. By the way. Oh my God. I'm insulting you. I'm insulting you. I'm insulting you. Oh my God. What the? Minigun. Okay, guys. So, time check is already IDK. Minigun sana yun. Ano ito? Pero slow yung speed mo kahit ito yung cheat. Yung cheat kay i-made ka faster. Set SPD 2. So, set SPD 2 na to. So, okay. Oh, yung speed mo kay 2 na. Oh, makaran ka na fast. So, plating emerald ang skin. So, let's have fun with Kyle's. Uy. Out of ammo ko. No reloading. So firearm na ko. So hindi na ka maka-reload. Settings. Spawn 4 Gordles at spawn yung 3 Shadow Mutants at lagyan ng mga unclear. Aray, sakit ng ano ko. Sakit ng ano ko, guys. Enable AI. So, invincibility tayo. Hello. Maraman ka. Upaw. Oh. Ano? Say hey. Say hey, ha? Say hey. Kani ang ma-work? Ha? Ha? Pag-behave dira. Manyak gin. Parehas ng shirt ah. Uy, na-stuck na. Sorry guys, nagalit yung mami ko. At spawn ang mga explosive. Hi. I'm having fun of this. So, I will Oh! Waman. Bisan mo, G-Dev. I-explode mo na to, G-Dev. Explode mo na to. G-Dev. Hey, G-Dev. Oh my God. Gores. Lots of gores. Many bloods. What the hell? Okay guys, weird pa naman yun. Okay, so 10 minutes to until it's 9 minutes. 9 minutes, 50 seconds. Hitan. Aray! What the hell? You hell, asshole. Yeah. Slap its ass. Oh my God. Tanawa ang iyang body. Nagsayaw-sayaw naman noon. Tanawag body. Nagsayaw-sayaw noon. Tanawag body. Nagsayaw-sayaw. O sige guys. Ngayon guys, na-fail yung camera ko. Anuhin ko. No matter if you're black or white. No matter baby, no matter if you're black or white. Be there, no. Hello there. I have a minigun. Your import to 9 is better than mine. Na-lose. Tanawa ang iyang kuan. Oh! A trick. It's fine. Spawn the kill black or white. No matter. So guys, mag-ride tayo guys. Na-fail ako. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! So, ngayon guys, tapos na itong video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At para i-subscribe niyo to para maka-reach ako ng 13 subscribers. Para makita ni Daddy. So sige guys, bye-bye guys. See you in next month.